In this video, I'll show you how to move your avatar's face in Roblox. Even though this feature has been available for quite a while, I'm sure there are still many new Roblox users or players who don't know how to enable facial animation in Roblox. This facial animation feature follows your real facial movements and expressions. So for this, a camera is absolutely required on the device you're using. If you're using a phone, your device needs to have a front camera. And if you're using a computer or laptop, it needs to have a built-in camera or an external webcam. In this video, I'm using Roblox on mobile, but if you're using a computer or PC, you can still follow along with this tutorial. So first, go to the Settings menu. After that, select the Privacy menu. Then go to the Communications section and under Camera Input, make sure this option is turned on. However, if you don't see this option in your Roblox app, you'll need to verify your age first in the Account Info section. Once that's done, go ahead and join any game. But keep in mind, not all Roblox games support real-time facial animation. For example, a game like PLS Donate does support facial animation. After entering the game, click the Roblox icon, go to Settings, then scroll down to the Camera section. In Camera Mode, select Default, then turn on Camera Inverted. Make sure Movement Mode is also turned on. After that, to display your facial animation, select Self View. Then allow Roblox to access your camera so it can capture your face. Once that's enabled, your avatar will immediately start copying your facial expressions and head movements. Also keep in mind, some avatars do not support facial animation. You can choose avatars that have a small face icon in the bottom right corner. Go to Body, then Heads, and choose a head that has that icon. To find games that support facial animation, check the game description and scroll down. The camera section should say supported. If it doesn't, then the game does not support camera or facial animation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.